It's Tuesday afternoon. You're sitting at your desk. Same work, same inbox, same paycheck in 2 weeks. Bills are paid. You're saving a little. You're not struggling. But
Rent,
late at night,
groceries,
something
car
doesn't
payment.
feel right.
After
That
covering the
tension in your
essentials,
chest,
even a small coin
that's
is a
not
start.
laziness. That's the comfort trap. And it might be the most expensive thing in your life. Most people think the opposite of wealth is poverty. It's not. The real opposite of wealth is comfort without growth.
Expensive.
Your brain is literally wired to reward stability. Once the bills are paid, it screams, don't risk it, stay put, protect what you have. The problem is your brain can't tell the difference between survival safety and financial freedom. So you stay in the job you've outgrown. You keep your savings earning almost nothing, and the years go by. Say you save $400 a month. In 5 years, that's $25,000. That's not wealth building, that's wealth storing. Real wealth compounds. It multiplies. It creates new streams. But compound growth requires one thing your comfort zone hates: productive discomfort. Investing money that might fluctuate. Negotiating a raise. Building a skill before it pays off. Staying still is the real risk. Inflation erodes your savings. Opportunities pass. Years slip away. So how do you escape without blowing up your life? Put just 10% into a low-cost index fund. Watch it move. The world doesn't end when it dips
5,000,
3%.
10,000,
Spend 1 hour a week
15,000,
learning something that
20,000,
makes you more valuable.
25,000.
Have one honest conversation with your boss about what growth looks like for you. You're training yourself to manage risk, just like you once learned to drive. The comfort trap isn't a character flaw. It's your brain doing its job. But in a modern economy,
It will pull
staying
you,
still is the
resisting
most
change.
dangerous move you
But
can
true
make.
growth lies
Real
just
security is
outside your
building
comfort
systems
zone.
that grow even when you're not watching.
So we agree on the
Progress beats
$75,000
perfection.
starting salary.
Be a little braver
We
than
do.
yesterday.
Welcome to the
That's
team.
how you build wealth.